Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn on ringer on iPhone, and I will show you 3 methods how you can fix this. Alright, the first method is on your left side on your phone, in the top, you have the silent mode button. Right now I turn it up, but if I turn this one down, it says silent mode on. You need to be sure that the silent mode is turned off, so please put it up. So right now you can see silent mode off, and now option 1 or method 1 is fixed because now you can hear the ringer. Option 2 is go to settings, then from here click on focus, and right now if you can see the do not disturb mode is on. If you swipe from right to down, we can turn this one off so we can hear the ringer. Right now if we go back, we go to method 3, and that is go to sound and haptics. And right now if you can see the ringtone and alert sound is turned off. So right now if I throw this button a little bit to the right, you can hear the ringer. So these are the 3 methods how to fix this, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.